Why do 50% of untreated sleep apnea patients face higher Parkinson's risk? Because repeated oxygen drops stress the brain over time. Treating sleep apnea can change the trajectory. If your partner snores and you choke awake, get tested. Sleep studies can confirm apnea. Home sleep monitors can also confirm apnea. The quick fix? CPAP restores oxygen and cuts long-term risk. Other therapies can restore oxygen and cut long-term risk. Don't wait. Early treatment may protect your brain. Talk to a sleep specialist today. World Neuroscientists Awards. Visit us neuroscientists.net. Contact us. Contact neuroscientists.net. Nominate now. Join with us? Stay tuned for more updates.